In this video, I'll show you how you can use AI for product photography without having to go into editing tools like Photoshop, etc. With just one click with AI, now you can enhance your e-commerce product images, right? All you need is a little workflow with AI, right? I'll show you right away. We will be using this product as an example. It's an Amazon product that you randomly picked, and it has this image, right? So the way we're doing this is with the right click on your mouse, you open a new tab with the image URL, which is this one. You grab this, you go to PromptMate, and you add the URL in here and click Save and Add Prompt. We're doing this with 2 steps just to show you what you can do with Clipdrop on PromptMate, but you can also right away, without needing to remove it, replace it right away. In this case, we are actually first removing it. So I gave the URL in here as an input, and then from the list of AI systems, you pick image background removal from Clipdrop. And then what it does, it just removes the background. It didn't remove the text, but it's something you can do later on if you want. But for this example, it's just great to show you what it can do. Now, I take on a second prompt this URL and actually let GPT Vision create an AI prompt for the background. So the prompt is very simple. It's not even a prompt, it's just an instruction. It just says, suggest one background for this image, return it in the form of a short text to image AI prompt. So as you can see, it says a bustling airport terminal with large windows showing planes outside, etc. And it just does that, which is great. Now the text here is not great, but you can crop this, but just the idea that we went from this to this. We can also look for other products if we want. Let's say this one. Just grab this one, come in here, grab the URL, put the input in here, click Save and Test, and let's let GPT Vision look at the product. Let's see what it says as it says a modern gym interior. Then the prompt is just given in here. Clipdrop image background replace product URL here as an image URL. Click Save and Test, and it gives you this. So we went from this one to this one. You can do this for many products. We will just save this template, right? Let's say you want to do this time by time, right? So we click Save as template, and we say backgrounds replacement for product. Just leave the description almost empty here. Title, gonna focus too much on the industry and category. Save it, right? So now you can open up and simply click the product in here. Let's pick another one. Let's say this one. The background is not great, but it's perfect for our example. Get in here, we add the product URL and created a background for it, which is way better than what we had, right? So we move from this. The amazing thing about PromptMate is that you can do this for many products at once, right? Actually, let's think that we have 10 products. You can do this even for 100 or 1000, by the way, but for this video, we'll just do it with 10. First of all, you'll need to have a CSV file with all the product URLs, right? Let's create it. Let's do it with Google Sheets. So we title it product URL, even the column, but also the file. And now here we have to add all the product image URLs, right? So let's just use Amazon for that purpose. Let's go to bestseller just to get some product ideas. And let's grab these ones, right? Let's grab the shoe, put it in the CSV file, get the umbrella and the backpack. And what else do we have? Okay, grab this one, maybe image out. Let's get this coffee machine, this one. Well, I think they are enough, right? Let's just download this as a CSV, and we come in here, and again you switch. We were here, right? We had the single input, we switch to CSV input, and then we get the file. Once the file is ready, then we click run bulk. Once the results are ready, you will be able to see them. You can access them from here, copy paste and open in a new tab, or simply download the whole file as a CSV again or a Google spreadsheet. Let's just open them from here for you to see what we were able to create. I like the rain here. Egg table, I like it. Then we had this one, headphones, coffee machine, even has coffee now. And this one. So you can do this for so many products. You can do this for 100 or more. And you just do it by uploading a CSV file with all the URLs and getting the final results as you saw in this video. So this is it. This is how you can use AI for product photography in just one click without having to edit actual images by your own. And you do this with Clipdrop, which is another AI system that PromptMate has. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.